Yo, what's up, gang? And today we will be playing a draw and slay and a slide. As we are down here, we are going to make a slay and go down. There will be no newer playing with us cause they are always busy for some reason. Okay, now rails. Just put it right there. Oh man. Okay. Let's make that and go. Wait, I forgot. I forgot it. No man. Okay, gang. Okay, did I just spawn here? Can you get... Why? Dude, this game sucks. Previous, cannot buy it. A. Yep. Okay, let's go, gang. I got a new sleigh and let's go. I guess this is a sleigh now. Yep. Okay, what the hell, bro? What the hell, bro? Okay. Well, we are here. Wow. No way. No way, gang. Oh, no. Let's go. Okay. This is rage baiting, yeah, man. This is rage baiting. Draw and launch. Let's go. How can it be? How can it at one moment? I don't know. Understand why? Previous. Just give it to me. Just give it. I hate you. Okay, let's go. Okay. This is kinda boring, but I guess let's do it. As I am Lolos, the king of universe. Yeah! Free money, let's go, gang. Free money. Yeah. Okay. Good. Let's get some money. Oh, nah, but yo. I'm pretty damn sick. I don't care, but I'll just make videos for you. As always, I am newer King Lolos. Just go fast as possible. Oh damn, I think I'm gonna die. Oh damn, I think I'm gonna... Nah! That's the most disrespect I've earned. And let's go again, as I'm pretty good. Who she thinks she is? Nah man. I'm gonna cook my sleigh and go. Yes sir. Stop. Too much speed. Oh, let's go. That's good again. Okay, we are here. How much money we are going to get, I don't care. I'ma just get previous. Let's go. Don't need to speed up. Just a little speed. And that will be enough. Let's go. Yo. Yep, this is my speed. Damn, I'm just cooking. I am just a cooker, you know. I can just cook with the default because I am the devil. You forgot. Yeah. No way I'm doing this dumb ass shit. What? No. This is hard. You know what? Previous and a seat. Yup. No. No way. Nah, bro. Nah, man. Previous. Let's make it. Let's sit and go. Yep. I can move it around. Okay. We can win. Easy win for us, I guess. Wee! Yo! Control it a little bit. Yeah! Yo! King! Damn, this slave cooking, man. This slave is cooking. Okay, gang. Guys, you should comment and subscribe right now because I'm doing this much of things for you right now, you know. Please just do it. I'm pretty sick. I would become happy again if you subscribe and give a like. Yay! Okay, gang. I am here, brother. Let's go. How much money are we getting, gang? Oh, money. Oh, let me just get the previous because it's awesome. Let's cook it up because we are taking up a notch. Oh no, the Iceland is here. The ice part. Oh no, man. I hate. Oh, ooh. I was just going to die, didn't I? I was going to die at that moment if I don't have the seat. Yup, that is true. We are here again. Oh, a rocket launcher. Good. Previous again because it's just awesome. You know how awesome my boat is. The awesome is in this. The awesoming. Yo! No, man, it is hard. You know what, gang? Okay. Okay, gang, you know what? I am going to do this. Okay, gang, ready? Ready or not? I'm going. Oh no, did I just cook myself again? Man, I am so dumb. Yeah. Yo, be control. We're gonna need the control. Okay, let's do it. By the way, forget the background music because it is my mother doing some work. Yeah, no. Oh man, I'm getting cooked. What do we do? Oh no. Let's just make it settle here. It can help us. Yes. Okay. We got brakes. Okay. Stop the brakes. Okay, gang. So we are going a little slowly. Okay. Wake it up because we have to survive. Yeah. Yep. We're gonna survive this. We are going to survive. Oh no. Oh no, man. This thing sucks. Let me just make a new boat because we just died. I don't care. I'm gonna make a seat and a break. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay, gang, let's do it. Ooh, 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 ooh. This is hard. No, no. This is sucker. Why do we have to do this again and again? Why is it impossible? Man, why is it so hard? Dude, it is hard as hell. But I'm going to win. Wait, by the way, did my mother just leak my real name? Gang, rewind it. No! You know what? I had enough. If you guys give 100 likes, we will complete it because I cannot complete this shit. This is so shit. I cannot complete it. Okay, so